Will CSK win IPL 2020 this time around? Join us in a few seconds as I bring the ultimate CSK fan, Tony Matthews, and our wonderful analyst, Lucky Singh, and we'll talk more about it. We'll be with you shortly. I'm your host, Salman Khan, and joining me today is Lucky Singh and Tony Matthews. Welcome, Lucky.
Hi, Salman. Hi, Tony.
And look at the ultimate CSK fan with a yellow background, Lucky, and a blue shirt.
Yeah, already.
So, Tony, thank you so much for joining us today. Exactly. It's starting, I think, in a few days. It's a pleasure to have you. So, Tony, since you're a guest, we're going to start off with you first. MS Dhoni is leading the side again. He's announced his retirement. He's announced his retirement from international cricket. Do you think this is going to be his last IPL?
Certainly not, because I am looking to go to India next year in April, just to watch him play one last time. T20. So I certainly hope this is not his last IPL.
Have you told him that yet? That you're coming?
I texted him a few times.
There you go. Let's hope he responds. Yeah.
Yes.
So Tony, that's a great thought because Dhoni has done so much for cricket, international cricket. People from Pakistan are absolute Dhoni fans, and CSK will not be where they are without Dhoni and his calm presence, right? When you talk about calm presence, Lucky, I'm going to come to you. The calm presence, they're going to be playing 7 games in Dubai. The pitch is very calm. It's a very slow-paced pitch. You saw it in PSL. The games weren't high-scoring, but they were very competitive. Do you think that will have an impact on CSK?
Oh, definitely, Salman. It's not only CSK that is going to, get affected because of this. There are so many factors to count on it. One of the biggest one for IPL was the crowd. That is what we are not going to see anymore this time, right? Plus, you are in a new area. 3 different grounds, not played for a while. Not for a while, even I can say a decade, I can say. There are players who haven't gone there, right? So to get used to with all those situations, it's going to be a very, very big problem for every team. It's not only CSK on the page. And the very big point is they are going against Mumbai Indians right from the beginning. So, slow pitch, both the teams will suffer. I don't know. We have to figure it out from, 2 or 3 different matches, different teams playing, and then you can analyze what is going on in that particular ground. But as compared to the PSL standards, yes, the pitches are slow. And who knows, Salman, BCCI might have, asked the curators to make a pitch according to the need of boundaries, the way it is in India. So if that has been taken care of by the curators, we can see a different style because a totally different board wants you to prepare such kind of cricket, just to make it like in India type. So if it is not there, definitely it's going to be a heck of a problem for all the teams. It's not only Dhoni to think about. It's going to be a problem for Rohit Sharma too. Yeah.
Anybody? Lucky, this morning I saw, Saurav Ganguly and the BCCI team inspecting some of those grounds. They were very happy with the facilities, but India hasn't had much say in these grounds. How much would that impact those big scoring games and this exciting cricket and all that?
That is what I'm saying. Like, Salman, whatever they have enjoyed back home in India is with the crowd and, a lot of people coming up, players coming out from around the world and scoring runs like the likes of Russell, right? You can say a whole West Indians and then Indians are scoring runs. It has always been like 6s and 4s. But, there is going to be something missing out because it's totally different from India.
Totally different. I agree with you.
If they are happy also, the board is happy also, they might be happy because of what you said, like the facilities provided. But we actually don't know the pitch.
Yeah,
and
exactly.
There are so many games coming up in that, high level intensity of cricket, where if the pitches are not provided properly or taken care of, they will just get ruined, right? So it will get slower and slower if it is not cured properly. Let's see.
Exactly.
Yeah, let's see the first week what is there for us, for the fans,
Absolutely. Tony, Lucky talked about the lack of fans like yourself that put so much effort and energy in building the hype around CSK, bucking them up, home advantage. How much will CSK miss that this year?
Well, all the teams are going to miss that this year. It's just not CSK, but CSK has been used to this. Well, playing
Yeah.
in India, even last year, they not the year before, they were only able to play the year they came back after the ban. They were able to play only one game at Chepak, where they had to go shift to a different home ground for the rest of the season due to some issues back home. So they are used to the situation, but wherever they go, they've had always the yellow color around them. All over India, the fans, it's 80% Chennai Super Kings. Even Mumbai doesn't
Yeah.
have that much fans when Mumbai Chennai versus. So they have that in their minds already. So I don't think it's going to be much of a factor. There's going to be something that Chennai Super Kings will come up to put that effect in.
Yeah, absolutely. Tony, I'm going to go to the squad. You talked about, it's going to have impact on the players, on the team and everything. MS Dhoni is leading the side. Imran Tahir is there to support him as an international player. There's Ngidi from South Africa. There's Rutraj, Gaikwad. There's Shane Watson, big name. Raidu's there, right? 3D Raidu. Murli Vijay is there. Kedar Yadav is there. Jadeja is there. Ravi Jadeja is there, big name. Deepak Char is there.
Bravo
Piyush
is
Chawla
there.
is there. Hmm?
Bravo is there, Salman.
Yeah, I'm going to get to that. Narayan Jagdisan is there, local player. Mitchell Satin is there. Spin will come handy. Kim Asif is there. Shardul Thakur is there. Sai Kishore is there. Faf Duplessis is there from South Africa. Monu Kumar, Dwayne Bravo, like he talked about. Josh Hazelwood, Sam Curran, and Karan Sharma. So some of these players, most of these players, international players, have played in Dubai, have played in those conditions, playing against Pakistan, right? What about these
Especially.
Indian players that may not have had? Because last time I think IPL was held in UAE was back in 2013. So, Tony,
Yes.
what impact would that have on the Indian players?
Well, it's been 3 weeks now that the Chennai Super Kings had a slow practice session because they were asked to quarantine extra number of
Exactly.
days because of some players being positive on corona, right? So they've had a slow start to their practice, but I've been following them all over their Instagram, all over their Facebook page. The practice has been going really, really good. Uh, Bravo has not joined since he just got back from their CPL there.
CPL.
So there's a few players missing from that practice session, so but they have had a good practice. All the teams, they have 2 ovals that they are practicing at Dubai right now, and they have had good practices. So they're in good form. They're back to shape after a long break from cricket, which is good to see.
Yeah. Lucky Tony talks about back to cricket after long break. Imran Tahir just played CPL. Dwayne Bravo's just coming out of CPL. Who else can I think of in their team? I don't
Nigidi.
think. Nigiri. That's it. 3 players. I can't think of anybody else. Shane Watson hasn't played. Dhoni hasn't played. Murli Vijay hasn't played. Some of the players, Jadeja hasn't played. Some of the players they can rely on. Hazelwood played the ODIs for Australia. Who do you think they'll have to rely on to get the ball rolling? Would it be Dhoni
If,
again?
if Salman, Shane Watson is in the team, he will play his part because he has played a lot of games in PSL history in these conditions. So they will definitely go with that particular. The edge is always there. That whoever has played somewhere and scored, and Shane Watson, we know that he has retired from everything, and so he's cool minded now. There is no
Yeah.
pressure on him. He will just come and play his own game, natural game. So if Shane Watson is in the team, I will say we have to look for his wicket because this guy, if he stands, you all know that he's going to trouble you.
He'll take
For
the game away
others,
from you.
yes, for others, it's a league. It's a league, so they will take a little bit of time because it's a 20-over format. So all the players, though they are international players, they have to go and perform from the go word we say. But these situations where we are talking about the lack of that pace, which the level of Indian style of cricket, because they haven't come out of that, never for such a condition in COVID, especially. So there are
Exactly.
there are so many factors in
Factors.
batsman mind that will definitely play a game. And Salman, for few games for every team for the first, or say for first match for every team, they are going to go with, okay, let's learn what is going on in here.
Yeah.
So it's not going to be a high volume game for sure, but yeah, everyone will take time to settle down so that they can come in the second game to play against any team, to know that, okay, these are the conditions here where I can exploit it.
Lucky, that's such a valid point. I think a lot of us don't think of that. It'll be a slow start to the tournament, right? You think in the beginning, first half of the tournament, with the experience matter more than the skills? Because everybody's coming out of this COVID-19 situation. Would the experience of level headed people matter? Because CSK seems to have a lot of those experienced heads. Would
Exactly.
it
Yes.
benefit them?
Yes, definitely, Salman. This is what I was talking about. Like, take some time. Captain Cool is normally a word cool. He will define every batsman. Take a time, because
Yeah.
the one he is the one to select that playing 11. He knows what he's going to do with them. So the
Yeah.
captain's call is always there. He is going to give his nerves, open nerves. Okay, when you feel, you do it. When you don't, take a time. So that is what the experience CSK has. And
Yeah.
CSK has given a lot of teams such a intense situations because of this experience. So many teams
Absolutely.
lost out where they could have easily won against CSK, but at
Yeah.
the end we always had that factor of losing the game because of the experience, inexperience, captaincy, or whatever it was. So definitely, Salman, playing away from your country in such a situation, experience, skill is always there, Salman. The
But
way
experience
you
matters.
take it, the way you take it with your experience will definitely matter. Yes.
Absolutely. Absolutely. Lucky you talk about Captain Cool, and I can't stop but think of Captain Whirlpool, which is Virat Kohli, RCB, just going all over the place. Hopefully they'll have a better, but we'll come to them another time. Tony, I'm coming to you. Captain Cool has lost two of his mainstays this year
Big
for
names.
whatever reasons. Right. Big names. Big names.
Very
Suresh
big
Raina,
names. I'll say
very big
very big
names.
names.
And Bhaji, Harbhajan Singh can also turn a game around any given time with his batting or bowling. How much will that impact? They still have a great lineup. I'm not taking that away from them. But how, like Lucky talked about, those two experienced guys, and Bhaji, how big of a name he is, taking them away from the team, how much would that impact Captain Cool? Would it have thrown a little bit of a rock in their preparations?
Of course, losing especially the Raina, who's been a constant performer for Chennai for the last 10, 11 years, right? He's the highest run scorer and one of the highest run scorers in IPL.
Yeah.
So losing him certainly has a big effect on CSK. So it's going to be tough, but it's MSD. He has been in
Yeah.
the situations in world cricket, in international cricket, in domestic cricket. He has been in the situation. So I don't think there's going to have a lot of problems once they start going into the league. Once their 11 is set, I don't think they won't have any problems. But that's a big blow. Raina missing
It
out,
is a big
it's a
blow.
big blow.
It's a big
Especially,
hole.
as a Raina, as we call in back in Tamil Nadu, is Chinnathala, right? After Thala, after MSD, he's the Chinnathala of CSK, right? So
Yeah.
they're of course going to miss him, not just batting. Suresh Raina has been one of the most active guys on the field. Anyone who takes a catch, anyone who feels stops a boundary or something, he's the first person to go to that person and give him a pat on the back. And so that is what the biggest thing that CSK will miss on the field. I think so. Is Suresh Raina's appearance or presence in the field is what they're going to miss most than his batting. For Raina, but for Harbhajan, speaking of Harbhajan, one of the experienced players in the whole IPL. He has won. He is the only person who has won 5 IPL titles, three with
Exactly.
Mumbai and
Exactly.
2 with Chennai. So
Yeah.
it's going to be a key experienced player that they're going to miss down the order. Uh, in batting or in bowling. It's going to be tough to replace him. But the positive thing that Chennai has is they have a lot of spinners in their lineup. You know,
Yeah.
so that's one positive thing that Chennai has, is they can replace a spinner with anyone that they have, because they have a very good lineup with spinners. And especially Dubai and Sharjah, which I've heard over the analyst speaking before the IPL starts, is once they start playing the initial games, it's going to, as like you were saying, it's a slow track, right? So the spinners are going to come in handy. So having like six spinners on your lineup is the best thing Chennai could have ever asked while going into
Yeah.
Dubai or
Yeah.
UAE to play this IPL.
So, Lucky, I agree with Tony. He's talking about, spinners will play a big part in CSK's campaign. This year, obviously, UAE, Pakistan prospered through their spinners back in the days when they played most of their cricket there. Lucky, who would you pick as the impact player for CSK?
Um, is it? Are we talking about spinners or as a whole?
As a whole, there's Imran Tahir, there's Ravi Jadeja, there's Dhoni, there's Bravo, there's Watson. Who would you pick as one player that can have the most impact on CSK's success this year,
See,
in your
Bravo,
opinion?
Bravo. If you remember, Bravo has been used um, in every situation. That is what I was talking about. The experience. Captain knows his playing 11. Salman. Um, I can give you the example of Suresh Raina. We were talking about his um, absence now. So Raina was not only a batsman. If you see today's cricket, I would say in every IPL matches or the whole season, he might have saved 100 plus runs in fielding,
Oh,
taking
absolutely.
catches, unbelievable catches, and all. So if we are
No doubt.
looking on those impacts, you know, that intensity will be very low this year because of COVID, so many things going on. There is no fan base who is watching you, right? The crowd. I've been watching international matches. It's like a dummy going on, dull matches going on. So
Yeah.
definitely yes. But according to the playing 11, there are so many big names in CSK, Salman. Even I can go with Dhoni himself. He can be a part of any first down. Maybe if he wants to come in open, that experience that he has, he can play against the team with their mind. Like say,
Yeah.
okay, you never expected, Muralidharan never expected in 2011 because Yuvraj Singh was scoring so many runs. He stopped him and he went. Can you imagine that in the
Yeah.
finals?
Exactly.
So this
Exactly.
guy has, that cool temperament. I don't know. I literally I am unable to give a particular name because of those vast variety
Big
we have
names.
in that list.
Exactly.
Yeah, exactly. Dravo will be a very very big card for them. Definitely yes, because he has every kind of ball. He has been a hero in CPL where we saw the pitches were going very slow and there was no run like 150 or 160 was the highest maximum
Yeah.
one. So in these conditions, Bravo will be a lethal kind of bowler, batsman, fielder, whatever you say for CSK. Definitely
So
yes.
lucky. I love where you're going because Bravo's the only guy who's won CPL, who's won IPL, PSL. He won PSL here in UAE with
Exactly.
Quetta, right?
So,
So he
Saman,
has
that is
that
what I'm
experience.
saying. My point has already been clarified. Like the experience of captainship Dhoni has, he knows his playing 11. That's it. That is the
That's
very
exactly.
big part. He can use Bravo on the first over. He can use him 15th over. He doesn't want to use him. It's his call because of the
Yeah.
situation, whatever it is. But
Yeah.
he knows what he's going to do with his playing 11. Definitely yes.
So I like what you're saying. Once they get their 11 right, there's definitely an opportunity, right, for them to create
Exactly.
impact players.
Exactly.
Tony,
Big one.
I'm coming to you now. Same question I asked Lucky. Who will be your impact player for CSK? Who do you pick?
For this year, it's going to be MSD. It's because there's different factors. Because first of all, his captaincy this year, it's he's going to use his full advantage of his cool mind this year, because all the teams are going to struggle with their 11, with the ground, with players missing after quarantine. So that's where MSD's specialty comes in. And this time he's not had the burden of his country on his shoulders now. He's a free man. He's
Yeah, totally.
retired, so
Yeah.
his mindset is going to be completely different coming into this tournament. For the first time ever, we have seen Dhoni practicing keeping this year before the IPL. There was a big
He's pumped.
article that went out, so he's a totally different guy this time around. So I'm very very much interested to see that. So my pick is going to be MSD for this this 2020 IPL.
So MSD, Lucky says bravo. Tony says MSD. We'll find out. And I'll leave this question for our viewers. Who you think, you leave that in the comment section, the impact player for CSK this year will be. Lucky, I'm going to come back to you with one more question. I'm not going to go to Tony because I know what he's going to say. So I'm going to start with you. Where do you see CSK ending up in this year's IPL T20 edition?
No doubt, Salman. We will come with Tony again. I told you in the beginning, before this question came across, every team will take 2 or 3 games. Even we will watch that, and then I can say you what my point of view. Then I can easily say right now they are in different mode of playing cricket, in different area, in different situations, where we also don't know what is the exact situation unless we see that pitch. That pitch will be for Mumbai, all the 8 teams, right? So once every team has played 1 or 2 games, then Salman, this question can be answered very properly because we will know that situation. Like IPL has been in India for so long, right? So if it was in India, we could have again gone, okay, I'll take that, chance of saying 3 or 4 times winner plus 1 or 2 times winner. There is a competition, but this is cricket, Salman. Anything can change. New weather, new situation. I literally see right now everyone will be on the high for the first 2 or 3 games to find out what is going on. I don't have answer right now.
Lucky, Tony, did you see how Lucky is almost the Captain Cool of Badshah? How quickly he avoided that question?
Yes, I can see that.
Just
that's
you
where
can see that
experience comes in.
Experience comes in, man. I'm telling you. So, Tony, same question for you. Where do you see CSK ending in this edition of IPL T20?
Well, the first 3 games are going to be crucial because there's no foreign, like especially England and Australian players are not into any of the sides because of the series that's going on. So once they come
That's right.
back, they're going to have to quarantine. So Chennai has the first game on the 19th, the second game on the 22nd. So those 2 games, they're not going to have Josh Hazelwood. They're not going to have Sam Curran. They're not going to have Bravo in their playing 11. And we know MSD is one that has his 11 set already from the first game. There's not going to be a lot of changes once once the league progresses. So this year it's going to be around. After the first 2-3 games is when we are going to see the 11 set for every team. They're going to have their 11 set after the first 2 games because of players coming out of quarantine. But my pick is Chennai Super Kings will be in the top 4, will be in the semifinals this year.
Okay. So this guy, he'll change his statement. I'm telling you, if they won 2 games, he's going to say they'll be in the final.
Fan for a reason. Fan for a reason, Salman.
No, fan for a reason, man.
The history, right? You have the history, right? Chennai Super Kings has been one of the sides. He's been in the semifinals most of the time. Beat. So it's a bet that I can give you $500 right now without even going into the first game.
I'm not gonna go there, but we have another show lined up tomorrow, which we'll be uploading. It'll be with Mumbai, talking about Mumbai Indians. That might give you some tough time, but I'm not gonna go there yet, Lucky. I'll stop there. So, exactly. It brings me to the last question of this show, which I'm gonna go to you, Tony, first. Dhoni's experience, we talked about Dhoni's class, we talked about Captain Cool, his cool mind, all these players. We talked about impact player. You picked MSD as one of those. Do you feel there is a team that can really challenge CSK this year? I'm talking competition.
Well, the competition for CSK is not going to be in their bowling or batting. It's going to be in their fielding. They don't have Suresh Raina, first of all. The slip quadrant, I'm not sure who's going. Shane Watson is there for the slips. So fielding is one side where I think the teams are going to give a tough competition to Chennai Super Kings. There are a few excellent fielders: Deepak Chahar, Faf du Plessis, Jadeja. That's once, yeah. So there's one aspect of cricket where CSK lacks would be in their fielding, especially.
So who can challenge them? Which team can challenge them on that?
Well,
which team will take advantage?
Either it's going to be Delhi Capitals or Rajasthan Royals, because both the teams of them have a very, very young side.
They can run faster.
For sure. They have a very, very young side. I've seen them practicing on Instagram, their videos. So they're really on a good high note right now. So
Yeah.
anyone can challenge.
Because some of these big players in CSK are in their prime. Lucky, would you agree with that? They're in their prime. They're towards the end of their twilight of their career.
Age factor is always there, Salman. The only thing is like, yeah, experience does matter, but running between the wickets, fielding where it was one, if you give away twos and threes, we have been watching in our own local leagues also, So these are international matches, big matches. These are not only matches; these are like $1 million matches, So yes,
I'm sorry, but I think
I can't agree more on Tony's point of view. Capitals will be to be watched. Delhi Capitals.
And Lucky,
these guys have been getting, yeah. Sorry.
No, go ahead. Would you agree that the competition is bigger than the World Cup?
T20 World Cup?
The competition? Yeah, like the competition in these games could be bigger than those the World Cup games at times. It's so intense.
It should be, Salman, but the only difference is because of this pandemic situation,
exactly.
Every match around the world, like Pakistan played in England, it was dull because no fan base, right? Everyone is watching at home, but that crowd factor, Salman, can you imagine that single stroke played by a particular batsman who is loved by millions who are watching on the TVs and sitting right in front and cheering every single shot? For example, take MS Dhoni. He takes every single run and there is no crowd to cheer him up. Can you imagine that? For example, I'm saying. So yeah, cricket, each and every sport has become a dull factor right now, Salman. So definitely, yes, a comparison is there. But in these situations where we have taken IPL right now, I won't compare to, World Cup. The only comparison will be where is the World Cup being played? Not in England, which is Rain World Cup, right? If it is in India, like 90% of the games are played, for example. So you have that 90% of result coming up. Then you say like, there is a comparison, and then you say, okay, I'm happy to give you my opinion, but right now it is we are in such a situation where PSL has been a very good factor for them because they have played 3 or 2 regular PSLs here.
Yeah. Exactly.
But these guys, they are totally new. Yes, those who played in PSL, they will definitely perform here, Salman. My point is clear, crystal clear. Shane Watson will be to be watched too.
Yeah, he performed really well in PSL.
Exactly. And you know that when PSL is there, there is always a hype of ballers.
Yeah.
In our IPL, there is no that big hype, like hype in a sense. We have that lack of all the Pakistani pace bowlers not coming in IPL, right? And others also. There are so many. But yeah, these two leagues have been totally different in this aspect. Like India goes with the batting point of view of the pitches. It is not only for one, it is for both the teams. And in Pakistan, it is for both teams bowling. So totally different things. So yeah,
exactly.
Let's see, Salman, 2 or 3 games, and then you will be on the spot to say, okay, we have seen playing 11 changes or the regular playing 11 for 2 or 3 games, what they did, and then you can easily analyze. Okay, I can see now there is something coming up from this team that they are not breaking this playing 11 who is winning the games, or they will say, okay, this guy is not working, 2 others are coming in in 2 or 3 games because because we have only fewer games in different Abu Dhabi is there, Dubai is there, and Sharjah. So definitely they will have to figure it out according to 3 different places where they are playing and who is performing where. They will be doing this for definitely sure.
They'll take
Sharjah is the time to, right, Salman?
Exactly. Charge the benefit. Exactly. That's where the high scoring games happen. Like, the funny thing is, for us, watching from Pakistan, we will be confused for first few games. Are they playing IPL or PSL? Because there'll be no crowd. Absolutely no crowd. That's what PSL faced when they played in Dubai. There were lack of crowds. And as soon as PSL was brought back home, it was just like packed. grounds. And I think that's
Exactly.
what the biggest impact these players will have. I know Tony BCCI is talking about creating, fake cheerleading sounds and fake all that. I don't
Yeah,
know how
it's
much it's
going
going to
on in
impact the
Premier
players.
League, Salman. But I do watch that also. But we know what we are lagging, right? So yeah,
Oh,
it's
yeah,
not going to help anyways. It's just a dummy thing coming up. Virtual kind of volume will be played. Like, but
that's exactly.
that is fake for the whole world, right? We all know that.
And I
Yeah.
think it's
So the
like it's
charm will
taken
be lost.
away.
But yeah,
It's taken those celebrations away. Players used to be pumped, taking wickets, hitting sixes. Now
exactly.
only players that are
Now
pumped
the
are
situation is,
Pakistanis
Salman.
because they're used to it.
Uh, the only difference, Salman, the only big difference is like ICC did bring all those new rules also related to COVID, that you have to
Yeah,
be in a particular gap when you celebrate
for the
also.
right
So
reasons.
yeah,
Yeah,
that is what I'm saying. Like, the confidence, the morality is already down. Okay, guys, we have that contract to play. Let's play, but be safe. So yeah, you
exactly.
are playing, but not with that passion like it was in 19 or in 18, right? Hopefully
Yeah,
in 21 it will be. Um, Hopefully we get out of this COVID-19 situation pretty
hopefully.
soon. But for
Exactly.
the time being, it is like they are making us happy with the sports around the world. But yeah, we will lag all those, creativity and
Excitement.
everything.
Exactly.
Excitement,
Exactly.
yeah.
Exactly. Thank you, Lucky. Tony, last question for you. As an IPL fan, how much are you going to miss those crowds, the noise, the excitement, the music and everything?
Well, watching games that CSK plays at home is always a treat. Just watching the yellow floods, all over Chepak, it's called the Yellow Army. Watching them is the best thing that you can do. And whenever MSD steps out, the chant that goes around, missing those sounds is going to
Exactly.
be tough. That's why I'm hoping for next year. It's going to be big next year, just because they're missing the crowds this year.
That's so. One last question, Lucky. I'm going to ask Tony one last question. I've always wondered about this. What is whistle Podu or Podu, if I'm saying it right?
Whistle is just
Yeah. So what's
so
Podu?
it's just that cheer, right? Podu is
Uh,
give a whistle.
it's a hashtag that I don't get, and it's
Give
everywhere
a
every time
whistle,
CSK
yeah.
wins.
Give a whistle.
Huh?
So
Blow
give
the
a
whistle.
whistle. I don't know
Blow
to
the
do the
whistle.
exact whistle. You
Oh,
basically put your hand inside your tongue and you swirl your
Yeah.
tongue and then do the
Under
whistle.
under the
But I
oh,
don't
I
tongue.
know.
see.
It's under the
Okay.
tongue.
What is
Yes,
Lucky? हमारे यहाँ कहते हैं like in our language they say whistle maro, CT maro.
yes,
वही है
Is that
सलमान.
whistle
It
Podu?
is same.
it's
Ah,
the same. Yeah,
It is same.
it's the same.
Yeah,
Oh my
blow the
God! I
whistle. Yeah,
whistle
blow the
Podu
whistle.
hashtag is everywhere. CSK plays, man.
yes, for sure. Yes,
Now I know the biggest mystery solved, guys. Thank you so much, Tony, for joining us, and we will bring you back, Tony. I'm telling you,
I will
and
be
it
there
depends on
once Chennai wins the
exactly.
finals.
Yes, we have
Yeah.
to.
So
We can make another one in the mid-table, Salman. When
mid-table,
7 games
yeah,
are done out of 14. Yeah.
exactly. We cannot guarantee if Tony's going to show up sad or happy, but that all depends on CSK's performance. To be honest,
Yeah,
right?
definitely yes. Yeah,
Exactly.
but
And let's see
sports
if
will be
Delhi
there to
Capitals.
talk about.
Exactly. Let's see the lucky if Delhi Capitals can challenge them the way we have talked about it. But I think it's a very excitement times ahead for us. Cricket is coming back in a bigger way because IPL is a tournament we each look forward to. No matter which country you belong to, you look forward to it. It's the iconic franchise tournament when it comes to T20 cricket, and it's built taking cricket from a just an okay sport to a very popular sport around the world. And I think we're all looking forward to that. So I think we're looking forward to MSD playing. He's retired from international cricket. I'm a big fan as well. I'm looking forward to him play as well. And I think there's some big names that are going to be in action fairly soon. They play their first game lucky on the 19th. Who are they playing against?
Mumbai
They're playing
Indians,
against
Salman.
Mumbai Indians.
What a
Big
game.
game.
Rohit the Hitman will be waiting for them. I'm telling you.
Exactly.
It's always it's a
Exactly.
big rivalry between Mumbai versus CSK.
Big
So
rivalry. Yeah, yeah. And I think if you look at it, last few years, they have been the teams to beat. If you
that's
look
right.
at it,
Yeah.
right? Exactly. And there's always RCB,
Yeah.
but I'm not going to go there. Guys, thank you again for joining me tonight. It has been a pleasure hosting both of you. We have promised to bring Tony back. Lucky, we'll find him wherever he is. We'll bring him back. No matter what kind of a tournament CSK is having, we'll bring Tony back and we'll talk more about it. That's all I had for tonight. Once again, thank you for joining Badshah, and make sure you do like this video, share this video, and give us your comments and feedback on where do you think CSK is going to end up in this year's IPL edition. Who do you think will be their biggest impact player? Let us know of your thoughts. Once again, thank you and good night from my end. Thank you, Tony. Thank you, Lucky. Goodbye.
Thank you.
Thank you, guys.
Bye.